Welcome to this explainer. Okay, picture this. You're standing right in the middle of an appliance store, staring down these two endless rows of nearly identical white boxes. I mean, they all wash clothes, they all have buttons that beep, but they have wildly different price tags. It's totally overwhelming, isn't it? You just want clean laundry, but suddenly you're forced to make this major household investment without really knowing the long-term impacts of your choice.
So today, we are settling the score by framing this explainer as a true head-to-head matchup. Front load versus top load. Which one is the actual heavyweight champion of the laundry room? Well, here is the secret. There is absolutely no single universal winner. Both types have been refined over decades and decades of engineering. The right choice completely depends on matching the machine to your specific lifestyle, your floor plan, and honestly, even your posture. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's the tale of the tape. We'll be judging these machines across 5 clear battlegrounds: mechanical foundations, performance and efficiency, cost and maintenance, space, pace, and lifestyle, and finally, the final verdict. Round 1, mechanical foundations. Let's look at how they actually work. It's all about physics, right? Every single performance gap we're going to discuss traces back to one foundational difference. With a front loader, you've got a horizontal drum. Think of it almost exactly like your dryer, but with water. Clothes get lifted up by paddles and then dropped repeatedly through a shallow pool of water, purely by the force of gravity. But a traditional top loader, that sits vertically. It relies on a central post, an agitator, that vigorously twists back and forth. And for that to work, the drum literally has to be filled with deep water, so the clothes can float around and physically rub against each other to loosen the dirt. Tumbling versus twisting, gravity versus friction. You've got to keep that in mind. But wait, before we move on, we've got to introduce the wild card option, the high efficiency, or HE, top loader. This machine functionally sits right smack in the middle of the traditional top loader and the front loader. It ditches that tall central agitator entirely for a low-profile wheel or a wobble plate at the bottom. And this creates a vertical rolling or tumbling motion using significantly less water. Moving on to round 2, performance and efficiency, the daily grind. So this is all about cleaning power and resource consumption. Now, what's really interesting here is how incredibly stark the contrast in water usage actually is. Because traditional top loaders need your clothes to literally float around that agitator, they use 2 to 3 times more water per load than a front loader. Crazy, right? Front loaders, thanks to that gravity tumble design we just talked about, only need a really shallow pool at the bottom. HE top loaders sit neatly in the middle. So if you're on a septic system or facing drought restrictions, the front loader's efficiency is a massive, massive advantage. But hey, efficiency isn't just about water, it's about energy. A front load machine can spin its drum at up to a whopping 1,600 revolutions per minute during its final cycle. Compare that to just 600 to 800 RPM for a traditional top loader. Why does that matter? Because 1,600 RPM uses centrifugal force to extract vastly more water from your clothes before they ever even touch the dryer. You might spend a tiny bit more electricity on that insanely fast spin, but you dramatically cut down on super expensive energy-hogging dryer time. Now, to be totally fair, there is a genuine downside to front loaders, and that is wash time. A standard front load cycle can easily take anywhere from 45 minutes to well over 2 hours, especially if you're using those eco settings that rely on longer tumbling times to save water. Traditional top loaders, thanks to all of that deep water and aggressive mechanical agitation, can just blast through a load in 30 to 45 minutes. If you've got a large family and need to run 4 loads of laundry on a Saturday morning, top loaders have a really clear, practical advantage when it comes to speed.
All right, round 3, cost and maintenance, wallet and upkeep.
We're looking at your wallet now, and we definitely need to address the notorious elephant in the room regarding upkeep. So the absolute crucial point here is understanding the difference between the price tag you see in the store and the actual cost of ownership over a typical 10 to 14-year lifespan. Traditional top loaders, they're the cheapest to buy for sure, but they are the most expensive to run because of that high water and energy usage. Front loaders are exactly the opposite. They command a premium up front, but their incredible efficiency means your utility savings can actually completely offset that initial cost over time. The catch? Front loaders are mechanically more complex, meaning repairs can be quite a bit pricier compared to a simple, time-tested top loader. And now, yep, we have to talk about the mold. It is literally the most talked about downside of front load machines. Because the front door has to lock perfectly watertight, it uses a thick rubber gasket with folds that love to trap moisture, lint, and detergent. If you buy a front loader, this 4-step routine is entirely non-negotiable. You must leave the door open after every wash so it airs out. You must wipe down the gasket. You've got to use high-efficiency detergent, and honestly, use less of it than you think you need. And you have to run a monthly clean cycle. Top loaders almost never have this issue because their top-opening lids just naturally allow for air circulation.
Round 4, space, pace, and lifestyle, fitting perfectly into your life. And this brilliantly illustrates what happens when we step away from the spec sheet and look at the physical reality of hauling wet laundry around your house. When it comes down to it, a machine actually has to fit your body and your home. If you have a small apartment with a narrow closet, a front loader is basically your only option because it's stuckable. You can pop the dryer right on top. But what if you have a bad back or mobility issues? Bending down to pull heavy, wet jeans out of a front loader gets old really fast. A top loader lets you stand perfectly upright, easily dropping clothes in and pulling them out, though it does require a much wider floor space since they have to sit side by side. We also see that the gentle gravity tumble of the front loader preserves your delicate fabrics way better than a rough, twisting agitator. And finally, round 5, the final verdict. It's time to play matchmaker. Like we said at the very beginning, there's no single objective winner here. So let's find out which machine is meant for you. The ideal front-load buyer is someone making a long-term investment. This is for you if you want the absolute best cleaning performance, especially with hot water on tough stains. It's for you if you want to slash your water and energy bills over the next decade, or if you simply live in an apartment where stacking is mandatory. And because there's no agitator taking up space in the middle, it is fantastic for bulky items like winter coats. But, and this is a very big but, you absolutely have to be willing to do that light maintenance. You've got to wipe the gasket and leave the door open to keep the odors away. Now, let's flip the script and see how this builds a completely different buyer profile. The ideal top-load buyer really values an affordable upfront price tag and pure mechanical simplicity. If bending down hurts your knees or back, this is your machine for sure. If you're a busy household that needs to blast through multiple cycles in a single afternoon, you want a top loader. It's also great if you constantly find a stray sock 3 minutes after you start the wash, because you can just easily pop the lid open mid-cycle. But above all, it's for someone who wants to completely ignore the risk of gasket mold. And of course, we can't forget our wild card, the HE top loader. If you are totally terrified of front loader mold, but you still want the high efficiency, the low water bills, and the massive capacity of an agitator-free drum, this is your perfect middle ground. You still get to stand up straight to load it, and it breathes well enough to avoid odors. Just remember, like all top loaders, you cannot stack them. So the next time you find yourself staring down those endless rows of identical white boxes, just ignore the sales jargon. Ask yourself this: what are you actually optimizing for? Is it today's tight budget? Is it tomorrow's utility bills? Or is it simply finding the perfect physical fit for your back, your laundry closet, and your daily routine? Choose the one that answers that question for you, and you will absolutely nail this choice. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and hey, happy washing!